Welcome to a new video on the Parts channel. Okay, I'm going to make a short video, but one that I find very interesting, answering several questions that you left me with are similar about how the wastegate or dump valve should be. This valve that opens and closes on the turbo in an engine, with the engine stopped and with the engine running. Let's see. It depends on whether this turbo has a solenoid valve or not. If it has a turbo control solenoid valve, you'll find that the valve is open with the engine stopped. Okay. It will be open. As soon as you start the engine, the vacuum normally acts to the vacuum pump and closes. Then, when you stop the engine again, it opens again. It will also open and close depending on the pressure of the exhaust gases. This is how the ECU controls them through the solenoid valve, but there are fixed geometry turbos, okay, that don't have a solenoid valve. So if they don't have a solenoid valve, like this one, for example, this turbo doesn't have, as I said, yet a solenoid valve, but it does have, you see here it has a little nozzle. And well, the air pressure in the intake snail comes out through here. When there's excess pressure, what the air does is open the wastegate, okay? There is air. The wastegate would open, as I said. Let's see, it looks like this. When there's excess pressure, let's see, it doesn't open that much. It opens little by little to control it, depending on the pressure. As I said, of the air in the wastegate, it controls the exit of the exhaust gases. If the turbo, for example, if the engine is off, okay, well, this will always be because in a turbo that doesn't have a solenoid valve, as I said, it's the opposite of those that have a solenoid valve. As soon as you start the engine, it will remain closed, but as soon as you accelerate to avoid a possible problem of overpressure in the engine, it will open. You can see that this works the other way around. In turbos, as I said, with the solenoid valve, this rod goes inwards, and in turbos that do not have a solenoid valve, it goes outwards pushing, it goes outwards pushing. Okay. Well, here you have this short video. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.